Okay, this one you're not gonna believe. This kid says he's got aliens in his toes. You ever heard that?
You're kidding, no.
By the way, I don't want to have bad breath for aliens if they really are aliens. I would make sure I have good breath.
I don't blame you.
So he's got aliens in his house, apparently, and he got them from walking around without shoes on, in the dirt, in the humidity, and he says that we should know this from going to medical school. Did they ever teach you anything like that? Because I can tell you, I've been in practice 22 years, never saw that before.
I have not learned that. Not in medical school, not in residency.
All right, we got Dr. Sklenkar and a patient and me in the background filming. I wanted to show you Dr. Sklenkar, so think twice before complaining about the filming because this is who you're complaining to. Right there, she's the one that's going to be getting all the complaints, and she reads the comments too. Our patient was nice enough. He wants to be on film too. He's got an ingrown nail. It hurts like hell, right?
Yeah,
it's pretty bad. His sister was in here. Did she have? She had. Well, we won't even say. Okay. But anyway, we got Dr. Sklenkar's going to film this, and why? Because she wants to film. It's fun for her. So we're going to put it on me now. And you know what? I gotta find my gloves. Where are my gloves? I took my smalls out of here, so we'll go medium gloves. So we're gonna get a good picture of the ingrown nail. So tell us, Mr. Patient. We'll call you Mr. Pizza. How's that?
Yeah, Mr. Pizza.
Or the pizza guy. We can call you pizza.
I'm still making pizza now.
Yeah,
So.
he's the pizza maker. He's the pizza guy. So
Pizza man.
What was the guy from Little Caesars name?
I don't know, but I would never eat there. So.
Yeah,
Please don't compare me to that.
Anyway, so Mr. Pizza guy, has an ingrown nail. He's had this for a while. He went to a walk-in clinic, right?
Yeah, it was like an ER type thing.
Okay, so an ER. What did they do at the ER?
Just clipped it and sent me on my way.
Absolutely nothing. So what did he get accomplished? Nothing. Oh, by the way, Dr. Leo Krawitz, Healthy Feet Podiatry. If you don't know that by now, you probably haven't watched the videos and you're probably new to the channel. And if you're new, of course, subscribe at the end of the video if you like it. Anyway, so he went and the ER did nothing for him, which happens all the time. Sometimes they'll give antibiotics. They didn't give him antibiotics. They told you just go see a podiatrist.
Yeah, something along those lines.
It's like if you get hurt, you hurt your finger, like, oh, we need to, we'll send you to a doctor that treats
just
fingers.
go talk to a specialist.
Right, exactly. Go to the specialist. So anyway, he's numbed up. We numbed him up beforehand. We're going to throw this tourniquet on him. Here we go. All right, these tourniquets, these tourniquets, are now my new favorite thing. I don't know if Dr. Sklenkar's been using them. Have you been using these?
I love them.
You do? Yeah,
They're
I like them
great.
too. They are great. You just don't want to forget them. If you forget them, you can say goodbye to the nail and the toe itself because the toe will fall off from gangrene, and that's not what we want. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this. Actually, you know what? Let me get my glasses. You got a nice close up there, Dr. Brittany?
Yeah.
All right, we'll call it Dr. Brittany, Dr. Sklenkar. All right, let's see. Here we go. We get my magnification here. And Dr. Sklenkar, by the way, is wearing super cool blue blockers. Are they the original blue blockers or are they?
No.
Okay. So she wears those not only to look super smart, but also to block out all the bad stuff from the computer. Do you think it helps or do you have
Definitely.
Oh, it does. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. The computer's not the. You know what? Why am I not? There it is. Okay. Now we want to make sure we take enough of this nail because this, if we leave too much, if we don't take enough, what's going to happen is it's going to dig in. But I'm going to see when we take this out here. Are you looking up there? Okay. Mr. Pizza, you ready? Here comes a piece of pepperoni. Oh, there it is. It's not that huge, but let's see, there's more in there. So let's get this out here. There we go. This is more of the tissue. It's not nail. It looks like nail, but that's more of the tissue that's in there. You're not feeling that up there, are you?
No,
Okay,
I
cool.
feel like I should be feeling some pain.
It's kinda
looking
cool
at the
though, huh?
video, yeah.
Wait till you see it on like a gigantic screen. You should shoot this up to your TV.
Oh,
And wait till you see it looks huge. So, Okay. Do you watch most of your YouTube stuff? So Mr. Pizza likes YouTube. He's a big
That's
YouTube
the
guy.
only, I guess TV content I consume.
But are you watching it on the TV or do you watch
No,
YouTube
yeah, I watch it
on
right
your...
on my TV.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
There used to be a lot of people who just sit there with their phones and
Yeah, now
computers, and now
smart
everyone's going back.
TVs.
Yeah, the smart TVs are great. It's really great, especially for YouTube, especially now because we can film in 4K, which is super cool. Yeah, so Brittany's going to get up close there. All right, that was not that exciting of an ingrown nail, but it was kind of cool because it had a lot of skin from it digging into the side of the toe so much. All right, we're putting the chemical here under the eponychium. And the eponychium is the area right here that's really the cuticle. And we're going to burn it. We do 3 sticks. So Dr. Sklenkar has been practicing now a total of, how many, is it a month already?
Yeah.
So you're a month in? All right, very cool. So what do you think? Do you like podiatry or do you want to
Love it.
move on to something else? Yeah.
Couldn't do anything else.
Yeah, so she's in private practice now. She went from residency to private practice. She's loving it. She's pretty busy for first month out, which is great. She's seeing all kinds of stuff. We've had like a run on warts at this office for some reason. It seems like a lot of people are getting warts lately, and I was wondering, just my mind thinking, is there something going on with viruses? Is this like a viral, the year of the viruses? Are viruses taking over? Are they aliens? Are viruses really aliens? Did you ever think about that? You probably thought about that. You look like you
No,
thought
I never thought about
He's
viruses
laughing, but he
being-
had a look like I thought the same thing.
I thought about some conspiracy
Right.
theories with the
No,
viruses.
it's
but
COVID and alien. Are the aliens that are invading our planet
it could make
and they're
sense.
slowly killing us? And I'm gonna freak out all our OCD people. They're gonna start obsessing on this now. That they're actually from another planet and they're invading us. They're just killing us little by little here. And they're gonna take over, but who knows? I mean, you never know. It could be that, right?
Anything is possible.
So small that you can't see them. They're the enemy. But they are killing the entire world right now, so hopefully we'll be through this soon. What does that have to do with ingrown nails? Absolutely nothing. So let's get back to the ingrown nail. Let's get the good stuff on here, the frosting, and then we're gonna put the dressing on top. But first, do not forget the tourniquet. This is the most important thing. Why don't we want to forget this? Because actually it does cut the circulation off and it will cause gangrene. I just took that was a bad idea. I should have put this stuff on after. We're gonna put more on now. But I think the person would probably have about, what do you think, about 4 hours before its tissue started dying?
Yep.
Yeah, they'd make it maybe 4 hours. Then the toe would get black. But a normal, when I say a normal person, a person that can feel things, they'd be in severe pain after about 2 hours from the circulation being cut off. So they'd know something was seriously wrong with the foot. And that would happen. I'm not making a shake.
Oh, I'm just a shaky person.
Did I the alien thing scare you? I think there's one on
Now
your,
I'm thinking
oh my
that
God, there's
they,
one on your shoulder.
I think they stepped on my toe. Messed it up.
So tell us, how was it?
It was good, painless. Way better than my ER experience, I can tell you that much.
So what, they just kind of looked at it? Did they look at it and go call in like 3 other people to confirm that they still didn't know what it was? We're like, yeah, it's an ingrown nail, but it's something to do with ingrown nail.
I think it took 2 people to confirm that.
Did I? That's cool.
But it still hurt. Like when she was digging in there, it hurt. And they shot me up with lidocaine, I believe it was. But I don't know if she missed the spot where you're supposed to hit.
Oh, they actually shot you up and they cut part of it out? They tried to dig it
Yeah,
out?
they snipped a part of it out, but they didn't do anything else after that.
Okay. So just a public service announcement here. Don't cut if you cut a piece of the nail on, you have an ingrown nail, it's going to come back. It's going to grow back for sure. Doesn't do anything. It might buy you a few days of time where it doesn't hurt, but you always have to have it removed permanently. Small little sliver nail. Here it is. There it is. There it is. Right here. Small little sliver nail. That's it. And then it's gone permanently. But it'll just keep growing back. What if this is an alien?
That's what I'm saying. Now I'm worried.
Ingrown nails are invading us. Oh my gosh. All right, we gotta stop this. All right. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. We love our fans. Stay healthy, everybody. Wear a mask. Stay away from people, 6 feet away, and you'll be fine. And we'll see you for the next video. Thanks.
Oh. Whoa.
Bunion bump.
Bunion bump. Huh?
What? Gotta run. Got an ingrown nail.